Brad nailed this to the table. I shot a nail, it's stuck to the table now.
Let me pry it off with something.
Guys, we are trained professionals. We know what we're doing.
Oh man, this joint's broken. Wow, that's crazy.
More intense breathing.
Do you think girls from your school are watching this channel?
Nope. Hopefully not.
No, they're not. All right, let's go. Jack is not only our athlete, but he's also the artist in the family. And today, we're gonna make something for him and the rest of his siblings to practice all their drawing. So we thought a cool idea to create an LED-powered dry eraser marker board.
It's gonna be awesome.
Yeah, it is.
I am so pumped up!
All right, Jack, so a couple of principles here. First of all, we need plexiglass. I got a big one here. Also didn't realize it's expensive. Guess how much this costs?
$100 billion.
150.
Actually, you're not far off. It's $100, which is kind of dumb. So it's a 4 foot by 2 foot. Plexiglass, it's clear. It's got plastic wrap on it. We're gonna use our LEDs to power this thing to create an illumination around the barrier. That's how it's gonna illuminate all the dry eraser markers. And then we need to build a frame. So Jack, first thing with the frame is we need to create a frame around it, but it also has to be able to hold the LEDs.
Do we need to put a hole in here?
Well, we need to create a channel that's gonna go run across here. So this is essentially gonna have a strip running inside of it, but it also has to be deep enough that the plexiglass can sit inside. Now you're a tape measure wizard now. I hope. This one's a nice tape measure because you got all the numbers on it. How thick do you think that is right there? If you measure from the 3, it's a fraction, 3/8. You guys don't do fractions in school?
I do, I'm just not good at fractions.
Okay, well that's a 3/8. So here's the science behind it. A classic regular old table saw blade is 1/8. So if we need 3/8, how many cuts do we need to make?
3.
3, exactly.
Mathematical!
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these 2 strips and I'm gonna create the channel that hopefully will fit not only our LEDs, but also be deep enough to hold our picture frame plexiglass. Ready to make some sawdust?
Yep.
Let's do this, baby.
How bad would you feel if you accidentally turned it on and I cut my hand, cut like a finger off?
Disgusting.
That would be bad.
Do you just feel bad for a second and...
No.
Table saw safety is important, buddy.
I've seen those like table saws where the moment it touches your finger, it
Drops down.
Yeah.
It's called a saw step. Those things are super expensive, but they're super
won't-
cool.
You won't even get a cut.
They did it with the hot dog. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
A
the
few of my
hot
friends.
dog literally didn't even get a scratch.
Maybe you should make a bunch of money and buy me one.
No.
You'd rather have V-Bucks, won't
yeah,
you?
V-Bucks.
I figured so. Stay back. You're gonna go on the other side and beat it through, okay? Yeah, wait till it comes out. Oh, come to the side. Yeah, you're getting hit with sawdust. Grab on, there you go. Just hold it. We gotta keep it flat on the table. Okay, put that to the side for a second. You're in the splash zone. All right. Now we're gonna move the blade over a little bit. Dry eraser marker board. Okay.
My hat, I put my hat on too tight.
What's wrong with your hat and hair?
I don't know.
This is what all the kids are doing?
No.
And then they go.
It says I was just wearing a hat.
They go, and then they go.
I was just wearing a hat. That's why.
All right, you ready? All right, get your headphones on. Literally nothing changed after he made those adjustments on his hair.
No, it's because my hat.
Do you think girls from your school are watching this channel?
Nope. Hopefully not.
No, they're not. All right, let's go. Okay, we're gonna move it the last bit to get our 3/8 of an inch. Be good. All right, board please.
It's hard to put on 3 things at once.
I know. You should get a face shield too. You can never be too safe. All right, ready?
Yeah.
Okay,
The snow.
coming your way. Are you done dancing like a Cinderella?
Yeah.
I'm sure that's not shop safety. Okay, coming your way. Yeah, who needs a broom when you got...
I'm a cheerleader.
So this is gonna be an oddly satisfying part. We're gonna break these little center parts to get those pieces out.
I have an idea.
What are you gonna do? Oh, no, don't do, no, not,
I just want.
whoa.
It's gonna work.
But we gotta be very careful not to break this outside part, which is really thin. So why don't we do this? I got a better idea. Here, don't do that.
I thought it would work.
So take a small, this is very sharp, it's a chisel. Okay, first thing you did was touch the sharp. So what you wanna do is you put it in here, and then you kinda do this.
Okay.
But not too hard, we don't want the exterior part to break, okay? Now, you've never used a chisel before.
Nope.
So you see how there's a bevel down below?
Oh, yeah.
That stays down like this at 45 degrees, and you just lightly kind of do that. And make sure this hand is always behind it so you don't accidentally cut yourself. There you go. That's some woodworking right there.
The sound is satisfying, but it's kind of hard.
We got a nice clean channel. You did a good job with it. What's it like working with the chisel?
I feel like I'm sculpting something. Like,
You are sculpting. So we got a really intricate part next. We got to create miters. Are you familiar with the word miters?
nope.
Miters are 45-degree cuts like a picture frame would have, okay? So they kind of create the seamless transition. So we need to create a 24-inch by 48-inch
Should we take
miters.
this off?
Oh, we'll do that then so we don't scratch the plexiglass. You're getting way too ahead of yourself.
Oh, slow down. Hold on there.
So we're going to get on this miter saw. I'll make your markings, and I'll let you actually do the cutting.
I've used this before.
You have, but never at an angle. That's
Twice.
a little bit harder.
Oh, wait.
Nope, not yet.
Yeah, no.
You got your safety glasses on?
Yep.
So I'll make your markings.
You can still see where it was.
Oh, the sticker?
Yeah.
You're so fascinated with the sticker.
I love stickers.
Okay.
Dad, remember this?
Oh, from the primer, from the
That I love
PVCs?
sniffing?
Yeah, that was cool.
Amazing.
A workbench will give you plenty of stories to remember. All right, come over here. Get your safety glasses on, get your headphones on.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna hold this up for you. Remember safety. There's a safety switch.
Yeah.
Press the trigger, let it get full speed,
Yeah, and then-
go down smoothly.
And then at the end, let it turn off first.
Let it turn off before you let your hand go, okay? And this other hand's always on this side.
Yeah.
Ready? Bombs away. Good.
Do we need this?
Nope.
Alright.
You can just put it on the ground.
This is a torture device.
What are you doing?
I want to break the wood.
All right. When you're done, would you like to cut?
I'm not done yet.
Let me rephrase that. Would you like to cut?
Oh, yes, please.
Okay.
Is this the one I can sacrifice?
What's that?
I sacrifice this one?
You could sacrifice it.
It's gonna blow.
What are you doing? You're a sick ticket. You know that?
I'm trying to break it.
And then slide it forward. There you go. You're like a full-size cat playing with stuff like that.
Ow.
Let's see how this dry fit looks. You know why they call it a dry fit?
Nope.
It's because before you glue it down and secure it, you just got to make sure you got all your measurements correct. Slide it in there.
Is it in? I can't see it.
Yeah, that's a perfect miter.
Nailed it.
Nice work. These are hard. So, next question is, do we want to stain the wood or keep it natural like this?
Stain it.
Stain it? I guess we got to stain it.
We should. You shaking it up? So
What-
before we stain, I think it'd be a good idea to give it a quick little sand, just because we got a few little scratches on the wood, different imperfections. Let me get you some sandpaper and a sander.
use that one?
That's a buffer.
I think it's the sander.
No, don't. You're gonna mess it up. Don't do it. That's the power button, and then just keep it flat on it. Yep. There you go. And then just go like with the grain.
It doesn't matter, it still work.
So now we got it all sanded. Let's give it a nice stain. I don't have a sponge brush. That usually makes it easier. So you're gonna go old school by rubbing with a cloth.
Looks like underwear.
It's actually my old t-shirt.
Yeah, there's a tag on it.
So dip what's up with you and smelling stuff?
Barbecue.
So here's what you're gonna do. You're gonna curl it up about this much. Take a little dab in there, like that. Kind of dab it off a little bit. And then just kind of go with the grain like this, okay? Nice and light, don't do it heavy. There you go. I'm very nervous. You're not smelling the stain this time.
I didn't do it last time, did
Because
I?
it kills brain cells. It does.
That's why I'm like this.
That's why it all, we now know your origin story.
Okay, that makes sense.
Hey, those aren't your shoes, those are Dad's.
Hey, those are my shoes. What are you doing with my shoes? Hey!
Remember when I used to wear Dad's like sweatshirts and I looked like Baby Yoda? I said inside or no?
Yeah, you said inside and I said no.
This isn't inside.
I know, but why didn't you ask me about that part?
Because it's the side.
Well, yeah, but you should ask me because the problem is now we have to wait till that's dry so we can put glue on
It's
there.
dry.
No, look at your finger when you rub it. Oil doesn't work well with glue. Everything's looking nice. Good color choice. So we have our LEDs. This is the part that's going to be a little fun to kind of feed it through into this channel. But because we want the power source to come out at the bottom so we can plug it in, we got to drill a hole down the middle here. You want to do the honors?
Yes, please.
Okay, so kind of don't trust you on this, but we're gonna keep
don't
it.
then.
You should, no, you can try it. Here,
Scared.
here. Let me start it first for you. Okay, so the big secret here, and this is the only way you can really screw up. If you push this drill bit to the side and it comes out on the sides, we don't want that. We want it to go straight across the other end out here. Okay.
Okay.
So I'm over here. We're gonna have to give full speed, press very lightly, and the most important part, keep this thing straight. Okay.
Just very lightly. At full speed.
Yeah. Go ahead, full speed. Keep going, full speed. Stop, take it out, press this trigger, and then pull it out. Look at that, dead center, nice job, dude.
And we have a hole in here now.
It's all right, that's what workbenches are for. So now, we could start by feeding our
Oh, that's
LEDs.
hot.
Why would you touch that?
I accidentally did.
Go put that away.
Alright.
I'm just so glad OSHA doesn't exist for houses or DIY projects. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna feed this through, feed this LED from the bottom, up until we have our power cord sticking out.
Oh, it's.
There we go. Grab the rest of the LEDs. Not too much. Put a strip of wood glue down the middle. Remember, not too much. Because if it gets too much, then it's gonna get on the stain and it's gonna look ugly. Good. Good? Be done? Nice. That's perfect amount. So we're gonna spread it.
That's stressful.
So stressful. So now, we're gonna brad nail this on. It's such an awkward piece. Hold that together right there. Get a nice perfect seam. I'm gonna come over with the brad nail gun. Actually, let's put a little more wood glue on the other side. So you got it there. Let's also get it here so we get a strong grip. Okay, hold it right there. Let's bring it to the corner here so I can have room. Okay, watch your fingers.
How far does the brad nail go?
They're about this long, so it probably went like this and like that. This is very gentle here. So now, what I want you to do is continue gluing this LED down that strip right there. You're gonna go from here? Okay, here.
Like put it up like
Yeah.
that.
Okay, work in short increments so it doesn't get stuck. Start right here. Yep, start pressing it down. Okay, press this part in right here. You always wanna work from the corner out. There you go. Perfect. All right, keep on going. My fingers cannot, even my pinky can't get in there. So you're gonna be this is a perfect project for kids. We need small fingers. Maybe we should just buy like an Amazon rubber finger just for jobs like this. It would be weird to Google small child's finger for sale. That's not suspicious. Nice, done. Okay, right up to the corner. Make sure everything's nice and glued. Perfect, killer job. Okay, so we're gonna gently set this down because the wood glue hasn't dried yet, right? So we don't wanna put too much stress on this corner until maybe like in 30 minutes.
Except this is the like tape part. I pulled it a little bit too much.
It's all right. So now let's
More
glue
wood
and
glue?
brad nail. Yep, you wanna be honors?
Yes, please.
Good, done. Okay, now go put a little bit on the other side too. Good, all good.
That was a little bit too much.
That's a bit too much.
Yeah.
It's all right. Sometimes it's better to put too much than not enough wood glue, but you also want to get a perfect amount, which is a weird in between. Okay, pointing the right direction. Can you pass me the brad nail gun? Thank you. Oh, that's off. Oh, that's not good. Come on off.
Ooh, I have an idea.
What do you have? All right.
But use this to get it out.
Oh, I already got it out.
Oh, I'm running there.
I like the thought process though. Here, hold this small piece. So hold this piece right here so it doesn't move away. No, I'll hold the back. I'll hold this piece. You just hold this piece. Yep, just like that.
I think we need more wood glue. Oh wait, never mind.
There we go. Let's get the rest of this on. Now, we're gonna have to work at an angle here because if we lift this side up, it's gonna put pressure on this, it might get unglued. So you're gonna have to work at an angle here. I believe it. Put your finger first in this corner. Yeah, there you go. And then work your way out. Nope, see the corners coming out?
I think I got it.
Nice.
Yeah, I got it.
Get this part right here.
Uh-oh.
This part's still not.
There we go.
You got it?
Now I just need to. Okay, I think I got it all.
Okay. I hate to tell you this, but this last part is gonna be the trickiest part.
More intense breathing.
More intense breathing. So,
It's staying on the table.
No, you don't understand. So we're literally gonna do 3 things at once, which is hard. So what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna first put our glass in here, okay? Then you're gonna have to continue the strip onto here before even we glue this down. Then we glue it and Brad nail it. So that's what I'm saying, like all 3 things at once. Very important we don't screw this up. Well, I'm just getting the edges off for a second.
That's what I wanted to do.
Well, I'll let you peel it off. I'm just getting the edges peeled off so we can put it in place. Hey, we're gonna both slide this in. Hold this piece right here, not to put pressure on it. Just drop that piece on the ground. Okay, you ready?
Wait, this thing is in the way.
No, but bring it down. We're so good. Get it pressure. Oh, Brad nailed this to the table. I shot a nail, it's stuck to the table now. Let me pry it off with something. Okay, hold on. No, I gotta be careful so we don't break that joint.
That is, guys, we are trained professionals. We know what we're doing.
Man, this thing is in there. Oh man, this joint's broken. Wow, that's crazy. I don't even know how that happened. It must have like diverted the Brad nail from somehow.
We have to redo that part?
Yeah, it'd be a good idea to peel it back.
Where's the wood glue?
Here, let's slide this glass all the way down first and then get it seated.
Here, lift that up.
Hold on a second. Oh, there it is. So it's seated all the way down. Try to break this off. Wood glue.
I think you're gonna glue it to the table. Do you need help?
Oh, I think I got it. Okay, Jack, ready to move on.
Ice.
All right,
I'm supposed to.
go spit the ice out. Let's start pressing this in here. Start at that end.
Oh, like. Can't even see it. Trusting that's straight. Is it straight, Mom?
Yeah, as long as you can feel it with your finger.
One of you's breathing loud again.
Him, because look how close to his nose.
I'm barely breathing. I don't breathe.
Okay, we need a pair of scissors. We need to cut this stuff off. Can you go get some scissors? So now, I'll take this side, you hold that side. I'm gonna put some wood glue and Brad nail it in place. Okay, hold it right there, don't move it. All right, the toughest job is done. Very nice job. You could do the satisfying part, rip it off, but we gotta let this dry for at least 30 minutes.
Yes. Dad, do you think you could do it?
Do what?
Look, you jump over it?
No. All right, Jack, you ready? Peel the backside. Very nice. All right, let's clean this thing up and let's go hang it up and turn it on and see what we can draw us.
Alright.
Bet. A little bit higher, right there.
Make it pink.
Well, we need white.
Why?
All right.
This is good.
Hold on a second. We need white.
Wait, why?
Oh, there's red.
Oh, it's switching her.
Now we get our
This
markers.
is like a whitish blue. I'll go get him.
So these markers, you have to use special kind of markers. You have to get markers that have fluorescent dye in them. I got these on Amazon. I think Walmart carries them, but look for fluorescent dye. All right, let's see what you got. Let's get a masterpiece going here. No pressure.
Oh, that looks so cool.
All right, guys, this project came out 10 out of 10.
That was sick.
It looks so cool. It works like a little nightlight too for the kids. Speaking of which, hit subscribe, join the channel, see all the cool projects we got coming along. Jack, send them off.
Like and share with your friends.
See ya, bye.
Dude, these colors are so cool. This is way better than a dry eraser marker board.
Whoa. Look at my perfect moon. Totally perfect.